So bangs can be a lot of fun and can really change up your hairstyle. So I love that my bangs are non-committal. So having bangs, you can have bangs one day and not the next. Let me show you what I mean. First of all, I'm going to make sure that all the pressure sensitive clips are open. The two at the bottom are going to attach here on both sides, and the one at the back is going to attach back here. You are going to get some extra coverage, so it's going to blend with your own hair. And we have side pieces that will also blend with your own hair. Let me show you how easy it is to throw a bang on and to get a totally different look. Now, depending on where you like to wear your bangs and the length of your bang. So I like to wear kind of a longer bang, so I'm going to wear it a little lower. If you like a shorter bang, just remember you can raise it towards the back. Now I'm simply going to zhuzh and blend it in with my own hair, just as you see that I'm doing here. Again, I like to give it a little bit of back comb just to make it nice and airy, and look how simple and easy it is to transform your look from no bang to a little peekaboo bang.